Hello guys, this is HairSome John speaking. Today I would like to share with you this very powerful hair dryer. And this is smart BLDC hair dryer. Okay, this is the box. And here is a box sleeve, a very high-end sleeve. Okay, and let's check the box inside. Here's the box. Okay, like this, flip, and inside this is it's a film. Okay, here is the unit. Okay, one unit with one concentrator. Okay, this is concentrator. Okay, here inside is the hair dryer. This was hot blister tray holder. Okay, inside we have a instruction manual. Okay, you can see clearly that rated power is 1600. Okay, and have different temperature setting. Okay, they have features. Okay, this is the unit. Let me put in. Okay, and here you can see I put the concentrator here. We plug, and this off switch, LED display, speed, heat, cushion button. Okay, we start working. This for the speed 1, speed 2, speed 3. Okay, this is the temperature setting. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this crucial function. Then it's cool. Okay, we can check this off. Okay, we check this. Okay, we're big wind. Let's use this pony bag. Very big wind. Okay, so this is very quite professional hair dryer. If you like it, just send me inquiry. Okay, thanks for watching.